In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily earn crypto in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a versatile and popular application for managing your various cryptocurrency assets, and it offers a user-friendly interface packed with features that make crypto management a breeze. If you're looking to earn some additional crypto by staking, you've come to the right place. Let's walk you through the steps to get started. First, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a clear and intuitive dashboard showcasing a variety of options. These include sending and receiving cryptocurrency, as well as swapping, buying, and selling your digital assets. It's important to understand that staking is an option available for specific types of cryptocurrency tokens. Not every coin in your wallet can be staked, so it's essential to know which ones are eligible. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on staking Tron. Tron is one of the popular cryptocurrencies you can stake using Trust Wallet, and staking Tron can be a great way to earn additional rewards over time. So, let's dive into how you can do exactly that. On your Trust Wallet app, locate Tron from your list of available tokens or by searching for it. Once you've found Tron, go ahead and click on the Get Started option. This will guide you into the staking process. Now, you might wonder why staking is beneficial. At its core, staking allows you to earn rewards through the network's consensus process, essentially rewarding you for supporting the network's operations. After clicking Get Started, you'll see an option that says Stake. Click that option to move forward. This is where you'll be entering the amount of Tron you wish to stake. Decide on the amount after considering your overall strategy and current portfolio. Remember, all cryptos come with their own set of risks, so it's wise to choose an amount you are comfortable staking. Once you have determined how much Tron you want to stake, simply click Stake Now to confirm the transaction. Trust Wallet will handle the rest, securing your stake and enabling you to receive rewards over time. Keep in mind that while staking, your tokens will be held in the process. Thus, you might not be able to sell them easily until the staking period concludes. And there you have it. These are the simple steps to start earning crypto on Trust Wallet through staking. Always make sure to keep your wallet secure and consider the potential risks and rewards when staking your assets. We hope this guide helps you get more out of your crypto investments. Thanks for watching and happy staking.